my whole journey began with getting into ferments was to build a legacy for my own family and my kids. That was really what got me interested in fermentation and really building a strong family, but that really starts on the inside. So
yeah, literally, right?
The word legacy always comes to mind with ferments when we look back to the wisdom of the past and these types of foods, making the resurgence, coming back into homes. Nothing but good things ahead. So I always think the first word that comes to my mind is building a legacy for your family and passing that forward. It's kind of skipped a couple generations. It's time to bring it back.
Yeah, and you're a living example, as many of us are, that we can get started creating this legacy anytime.
Absolutely.
Right? Whether you're C-section, formula fed, and all the rest of it.
Lucky Charms is my favorite cereal. Tube cheeseburger from McDonald's. So
yeah,
you can do this. If this is your first introduction from last week and this week, start where you are. You start with your chapter 1. Don't compare yourself to that people that are maybe at chapter 25 or 40 in their fermentation process. Just start at chapter 1. Build that legacy.
Yeah, cool.